Which kingdom of India had influence extended to Southeast Asian region? Options: A. Chauhan, B. Rajput, C. Gupta, D. Chola. Choose the correct answer in 5 seconds. Time's up. Correct answer, D. Chola. Explanation: the Chola dynasty built a powerful navy and extended its influence to Southeast Asia through trade, naval expeditions, and cultural exchange. Which of the following Muslim commanders did Mulla Gabharu fight with? Options: A. Mir Qasim, B. Turbak, C. Iltutmish, D. Ubaidullah. Choose the correct answer in 5 seconds. Time's up. Correct answer, B. Turbak. Explanation: Mulla Gabharu fought bravely against the invading forces led by Turbak. Which of the following has the Niti Aayog replaced? Options: A. Competition Commission of India, B. Staff Selection Commission, C. Union Public Service Commission, D. Planning Commission. Choose the correct answer in 5 seconds. Time's up. Correct answer, D. Planning Commission. Explanation: Niti Aayog replaced the Planning Commission on the 1st of January 2015. Which of the following is the capital city of Chhattisgarh? Options: A. Raipur, B. Ranchi, C. Bhagalpur, D. Dehradun. Choose the correct answer in 5 seconds. Time's up. Correct answer, A. Raipur. Explanation: Raipur is the capital city of Chhattisgarh. Alexander the Great was from which ancient kingdom? Options: A. Persia, B. Byzantine, C. Macedonia, D. Ottoman. Choose the correct answer in 5 seconds. Time's up. Correct answer, C. Macedonia. Explanation: Alexander the Great was the king of the ancient kingdom of Macedonia. Which of the following countries does Assam share an international border with? Options: A. Thailand, B. Bhutan, C. China, D. Nepal. Choose the correct answer in 5 seconds. Time's up. Correct answer, B. Bhutan. Explanation: Assam shares international borders with Bhutan and Bangladesh. Among the options, only Bhutan is correct. The upper house of the Parliament of India is called. Options: A. Lok Sabha, B. Rajya Sabha, C. Vidhan Sabha, D. Vidhan Parishad. Choose the correct answer in 5 seconds. Time's up. Correct answer, B. Rajya Sabha. Explanation: Rajya Sabha is the upper house of the Parliament of India. Which of the following words is not in the preamble of the Constitution of India? Options: A. Fraternity, B. Dignity, C. Modesty, D. Liberty. Choose the correct answer in 5 seconds. Time's up. Correct answer, C. Modesty. Explanation: the preamble of the Constitution of India includes justice, liberty, equality, fraternity, and the dignity of the individual. Modesty is not included. Which mountain range passes through Delhi, Haryana, Rajasthan and Gujarat? Options: A. Sivalik Range, B. Bareil Range, C. Satpura Range, D. Aravalli Range. Choose the correct answer in 5 seconds. Time's up. Correct answer, D. Aravalli Range. Explanation: Aravalli Range extends from Delhi through Haryana and Rajasthan to Gujarat. Which of the following districts of Assam is in the Barak Valley? Options: A. Hailakandi, B. South Salmara Mankachar, C. Chirang, D. Moregaon. Choose the correct answer in 5 seconds. Time's up. Correct answer, A. Hailakandi. Explanation: Barak Valley consists of 3 districts, Hailakandi, Kachar, and Shribhumi. Therefore, Hailakandi is the correct answer.